Hayden. Hey, Hayden. See this? Get it. Show everybody how you can crawl. They do. I'm off. Yay! You did it. Yeah? What else are you gonna do? He's a very busy boy, isn't he? Just crawling in circles. Yep, Mama has you blocked in. You cannot leave today. Ha ha ha. I have you blocked in. I have a hamper and I put a little chair up under the table. And he still thinks he's going to find a way out, but I can tell you, you are not getting out of here, buddy. You are not getting out of here. Hi. Oh yeah, you do that little leg kick thing. What? What? He's not so happy with me for blocking him in. They learn so quickly. He's like, okay, how can I get out of here? You're gonna hit your head, buddy. You're gonna hit your head.